Hi there. Welcome to the demo of Cuddle. Over the next 10 minutes, I will demonstrate how Cuddle's AI driven analytics platform addresses significant bottlenecks in analytics adoption for mainstream business users and helps them make better data driven decisions. Cuddle's secure and scalable AI platform is available both on mobile and web, which I will show over the course of this demo. First, let's fire up the Cuddle mobile app on my phone. I am first going to log into my Cuddle workspace. You can bring in any enterprise data into Cuddle, blend it together to see the full picture. For this demo, we've set up the data for a fictitious beer company and put together multiple data files corresponding with sales, primary sales data, target and achievement data, and sales team hierarchy. After logging into my Cuddle workspace, I enter my login credentials as the regional sales manager for the East region. As I mentioned before, Cuddle uses advances in artificial intelligence to make it easier for a non-technical business user to understand and analyze data. One of the crucial ways in which AI makes it easier for a non-technical business user to access data is through a search-based interface that allows me to query my data completely in natural language without needing technical data speak. Let's see how. Let me ask a simple question which I, as the regional sales manager, would like to see. Like Google, Cuddle's intelligent search feature understood what I was looking for and presented to me the answer to the question. It also understood. It also shows what it understood from the question and tells me that my permissions to view this answer are restricted based on my accesses, and hence I can only see the data corresponding to my responsibility areas, that is dollar sales at target, but for the East region. Beyond simply answering my question, Cuddle also plays the role of a proactive business analyst. It understood the intent behind my question and using artificial intelligence provided me a further summary of the related measures to give me the full picture. We have previous MTD, monthly sales trend, key drivers, and key other attributes. Cuddle also continuously learns from your input. For instance, I can teach Cuddle that gross margin is not really a relevant measure in this context. I can click or long press this tile and teach Cuddle's AI engine that it's not really relevant. In subsequent runs, Cuddle will have made note of my preferences and will present this further information accordingly. Scrolling back up to the answer itself, Cuddle's AI also auto-suggests the next best analysis for every answer. In this case, Cuddle recommends that I do a benchmark analysis to understand how Target is performing vis-a-vis other retailers. Cuddle also allows me to change the period as well as the interval for the answer on the answer card itself. Let's ask some more questions to Cuddle. Let me change the original question to while I'm changing only two words in my question, Cuddle immediately catches my intent and understands that I'm no longer looking for Target the retailer, but Target as my sales goal and presented to me the answer. This time, Cuddle brought together data from two different sources, achievement and primary sales, to arrive at the correct answer to my question. Cuddle then also appended the auto-analysis summary for this question and provides me the additional context behind the question that I was asking. Like Siri, I can also ask Cuddle questions using voice. Performance by brand last month. Sometimes, as a user, I'm looking for information on Cuddle, but I'm not able to frame the exact question. No problem. Cuddle users can also ask exploratory questions such as performance by brand last month and get a summary of all the brand related KPIs for the last month. I can then click on one of these tiles for a further analysis and continue from there. Cuddle's intelligent AI engine also handles complex questions particularly well. For instance, let me ask, Cuddle easily provides me the answer to the question which retailers had a shelf share of less than 45 and dollar sales greater than $150,000 for this month, and tells me that Food Lion and Albertsons are the two retailers that correspond to this question. Now say I want to track this answer on an ongoing basis. Cuddle provides me the ability to create my own personal track board in a matter of seconds. Simply click on Add to Track, create a new track board, and it's ready and being tracked for me going forward. So far, I've shown how Cuddle's AI understands questions asked in a natural language and how it helps create an information landscape that is tailored to me while continuously learning my preferences. Now, let us assume that during the course of a very busy work day, I don't get the time to do my daily data analysis using Cuddle. Our users have businesses to run and people to manage. But at the same time, they can't afford to miss out on time critical actionable insights in their data. To address this, Cuddle uses state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms to search the data for key actionable insights that need immediate attention and automatically sends it to the right users. We call them nudges. Nudges are personalized insights automatically notified to users that Cuddle detects in enterprise data. Let's look at this one. It says dollar sales for the East region at Target are significantly higher than expected. Interesting. On opening this alert, Cuddle gives me the graph which shows me the expected and actual dollar sales trend over the last few days. Is this a region-wide issue, or is there a particular region contributing heavily to the increase in sales? Cuddle also does a drill down analysis for my region and found out that the rising sales in DC are what have contributed heavily to the increase in sales in my region. That's great. I can now give my sales rep for the region a pat on the back, and to do so, I can share this nudge over my preferred enterprise communication application. Cuddle also provides threshold-based alerts which can be configured based on business rules. For instance, let's look at this one. Cuddle told me that the dollar sales achievement for 3 out of 5 cities is lower than expected in my region, a clear early warning for me to take action. On opening this, I can see that Boston, Philadelphia, and Baltimore are the cities where the actual achievement is less than where I needed to be at this time of the month. Similar to last time, I can share this nudge as well with the relevant sales reps and seek redressal for what might be going wrong. Before concluding this demo, I'd also like to touch upon the web version of Cuddle, which offers the exact same set of features for the business user and is perfectly synced with the mobile application. Here is the place where I get to see all the answers which I'm tracking. I can ask my query using the search bar. And I can access the proactive nudges, proactive alerts generated on my data from this tab here. Artificial intelligence holds the key to improving adoption of analytics applications and helps build a data-driven culture among non-technical business users. Cuddle AI leverages these advances in the AI space to meaningfully accomplish that. With Cuddle, you can blend your enterprise data from a plethora of sources and use our AI to simply ask questions and track answers. Cuddle also learns from your interactions and keeps you up to date on the key actionable insights from your data. If you liked what you saw and would like to see how Cuddle can be applied to your business, you can reach out to sales@cuddle.ai and scheduled a detailed follow up conversation. Thanks for watching.